Residents of a local retirement community got a special surprise today. The neighborhood surrounding it held a Honks for Hugs parade in Rio Rancho. Dozens of cars decked out in decorations drove around the center. Even first responders showed up to show their support. They honked, they waved as residents watched safely from their balconies. The team who put it together says they've been trying to find creative ways to help residents see their families during quarantine.
So we've been doing things, virtual visits. We had a birthday party this last weekend with a 96-year-old woman who we celebrated inside, and her family celebrated on the outside. And we thought, what about doing a parade?
Now the facility had to stop allowing visitors back in early March.